So now let's work around with the sales lead section inside of Wix ADI. In order to work with that, I'm just going to click on the add new section right over here. And then from the left side, I can bring in the sales lead section right over here, which is the form section. So you can see right over here that this is the section. So you can simply click on that right over here. And then the sales lead section will be added in right over here, just like this. So here you can work around with the title. So you can see something like get your details. You can change this out as well. So I'm just going to remove add and it'll update accordingly, as you can see. So you can have get started now. You can also add in an introductory paragraph if that is necessary and change the picture. So you can edit out the form right over here as well. So once you click on edit form, you can see that these are the sections which are added in. So now what you can do is you can also show the field titles, as you can see. So that enables the title. I'm just going to turn that off right over here. So if you want to add in more section, you can simply click on add a new field right over here. And there are different sections that you can choose from, as you can see right over here. So let's go to something like drop down right over here, just like that. And you can see that this is the section which have been added. So you can go over here and edit this out as well, where you can add in like placeholder text is choose right over here. And there's option A. You can work around with it. For example, you can say something like designing, and you can say something like animation right over here. So these are the sections that you can work with. And what the end user will be able to do is interact with this. So let's preview on how this can be interacted with right over here. So once the user actually comes through, they'll be able to type in information right over here and submit the information just like that, as you can see right over here. So now all the programming is actually done for you, just like that. As you can see, you can choose like animation and then submit out the details right over here, and it'll be collected onto your account just like that. And that is how you can work with the sales lead section right over here. Of course, you can go into design as well and choose different section designs, as you can see. So you can bring in something like this, like use this layout right over here, and then work around with that as well. And that's how you work around with the sales lead section in Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.